Want to know the secret to scoring the cheapest flight prices? In this video, we're exposing the top tips and tricks to help you save big on your next flight. From error fares to fare sale alerts, we're diving into the best ways to find affordable flights and making your travel dreams a reality. Whether you're a budget traveler or just looking to save some cash, this video is for you. Embrace flexibility in your travel plans. Flexibility is the cornerstone of saving money on flights. Most people plan trips around specific dates, but being open to changes can lead to massive savings. Did you know that flying midweek, specifically on a Tuesday or Wednesday, can be up to 20 to 30% cheaper compared to weekend flights? Additionally, choosing to fly during off-peak seasons, such as late January for winter destinations or September for summer ones, can significantly reduce airfare. Airlines are desperate to fill seats during these times, and that's where you win. Websites like Google Flights allow you to see price trends across a calendar, making it easier to identify the cheapest travel dates. For example, traveling to Europe in late fall is not only cheaper, but also less crowded, allowing you to enjoy iconic landmarks without jostling through throngs of tourists. Keep your plans flexible, and you'll have both your wallet and your sanity intact. Utilize flight comparison tools. Gone are the days of calling travel agents for quotes. Online flight comparison tools are your new best friends. Platforms like Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Kayak scour hundreds of airlines and travel agencies to find the best deals. One underrated tip is using Google Flights' Track Prices feature, which emails you when fares for a specific route drop. For instance, if you're eyeing a trip to Bali, you can watch fare trends for a month and book at the lowest point. Many of these tools also include visual aids like bar graphs or heat maps, showing which days are the cheapest to fly. Additionally, some platforms, like Skyscanner's Everywhere feature, allow you to search for the cheapest destinations from your departure city. This way, you might stumble upon hidden gems like a $250 round-trip ticket to Morocco. Set fare alerts for price drops. Fare alerts are the secret weapon for savvy travelers. Why spend hours refreshing airline websites when you can let technology do the work for you? Apps like Hopper not only monitor prices, but also predict whether they will rise or fall. Hopper uses advanced algorithms and historical data to tell you whether to book now or wait a little longer. For example, if you're planning a trip to Tokyo 6 months from now, Hopper might suggest holding off if prices are expected to dip further. Many travel sites, like Airfare Watchdog, also offer email and app notifications when fares drop for your chosen routes. According to a study by CheapAir, travelers who monitored fares using alerts saved an average of $300 per round-trip ticket compared to those who booked spontaneously. It's not just smart, it's essential for anyone serious about saving. Consider budget airlines. Budget airlines are often misunderstood as low-quality carriers, but they are a goldmine for affordable travel if you play by their rules. Carriers like Ryanair, EasyJet, and Spirit Airlines offer bare-bones fares, allowing you to fly across continents for as little as $50. However, these deals come with caveats: luggage restrictions, seat selection fees, and limited onboard amenities. The trick is to pack light, preferably a carry-on under the free allowance, and skip unnecessary add-ons like priority boarding. In Europe, budget airlines like Wizz Air and Vueling are great for hopping between cities like Barcelona and Rome for less than a night's hotel stay. While you might have to forego luxury, the savings often outweigh the trade-offs, making these airlines a fantastic choice for budget-conscious travelers. Book in advance, but not too early. While it's tempting to book a flight as soon as you start planning, doing so too early can sometimes backfire. Airlines usually release tickets around 11 months in advance, but the best prices often appear 3 to 4 months before departure. This is especially true for domestic flights, where the sweet spot is typically 30 to 90 days ahead. A study by Expedia in 2025 found that the best time to book international flights is 120 days in advance for most destinations. However, this varies by region. For example, flights to Asia are often cheapest when booked 6 months ahead, while tickets to Europe see significant price drops 3 months prior to departure. Keep monitoring prices during this window using tools like Google Flights to ensure you don't miss the optimal time to book. Be open to alternate airports and routes. Major airports often come with hefty price tags, but smaller, secondary airports can be a treasure trove of savings. For example, instead of flying directly into New York's JFK Airport, consider Newark Liberty or LaGuardia, which often have cheaper fares. Similarly, if your destination has multiple airports like London's Heathrow, Gatwick, and Stansted, compare prices for each. Another money-saving strategy is to look for connecting flights rather than direct routes. While layovers can be inconvenient, they can also reduce ticket prices by up to 30%. A recent example from 2025 showed that flights from Los Angeles to Bangkok with a layover in Tokyo were $400 cheaper than direct flights. If you're willing to sacrifice a bit of time, the financial reward can be well worth it. Leverage airline loyalty programs and credit card rewards. Frequent flyer programs aren't just for business travelers, they're for anyone who loves saving money. Signing up is free, and you can earn miles not just from flights but also from everyday purchases. Pair this with a travel rewards credit card, and you're doubling your benefits. Cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or American Express Platinum offer generous sign-up bonuses, sometimes enough for a free international flight after meeting minimum spending requirements. In 2025, loyalty programs like Delta SkyMiles and United Millage Plus also introduced new features, such as dynamic pricing, which allows you to use miles for part of your ticket cost, covering taxes or baggage fees. Imagine earning enough points from your grocery shopping to fund a spontaneous weekend trip. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Keep an eye out for error fares. Error fares are like finding a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. And yes, they are real. Airlines occasionally publish incorrect prices due to technical glitches or human errors, leading to jaw-dropping deals. In 2024, a round-trip flight from New York to Paris was mistakenly listed for $150 and sold out within hours. Websites like Secret Flying and The Flight Deal specialize in hunting down these errors and sharing them with their followers. The key is to act fast. Error fares are often corrected within hours. And don't worry, most airlines honor these bookings, even if the price was a mistake. It's a risk-free way to score some of the best deals you'll ever find. Bundle flights with accommodations or car rentals. Bundling your flight with other travel services isn't just convenient, it's also a great way to save. Platforms like Expedia and Travelocity offer discounts of up to 20% when you book a flight and hotel together. For instance, a recent package deal to Cancun included a round-trip flight and a 4-night stay at an all-inclusive resort for just $700. Additionally, bundling often comes with perks like free airport transfers or breakfast, adding even more value to your trip. While this approach works best for vacations, even business travelers can benefit by bundling flights with rental cars to score discounts on both. Monitor airline sales and promotions. Airlines are always looking to fill seats, and flash sales are their go-to strategy. These sales are often announced via newsletters or social media channels, making it essential to subscribe and stay updated. For example, in January 2025, Emirates ran a 48-hour sale offering 30% off flights to Dubai for travel through June. Signing up for airline loyalty programs often gives you early access to these promotions, giving you a leg up on other travelers. Another tip is to follow airlines' social media accounts, where they sometimes post exclusive discount codes. Being in the know ensures you're ready to pounce the moment a great deal appears. And there you have it, your ultimate video to snagging the cheapest flight deals. If you love these tips, hit that like button and share this video with your travel crew. Don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly travel hacks. Your next adventure is just a click away.